Alright, on the next Welding Mythbusters, we're going to do what's really inside of a TIG torch head. We've got several different brands that we're going to take all the plastic off. We're going to get down to see what's really in here, how thick the copper is, and who's giving you the most bang for your buck. Who's got the highest quality copper, who's got the highest quality TIG rig head minus the plastic. So we're going to go through, we're going to measure them, we're going to weigh them, we're going to flex them, bend them, pry them, and see whose holds up the best. Because that's what you want to know, right? Who really has the best, and maybe who has been telling some fibs. So down here in the bottom of the screen, you can see 5 different brands that we're going to dissect and try out and see who's really going to hold up to the Scotsman's test. All right, lastly, we know Christmas is coming up. We have a few products here that we like to promote. The Scotsman tool, spring-loaded 2-hole pins. They work great. All of our fitters use them. Our welders, we give these out. There's a 50 cal tungsten holder. And then a new product, this is the Black Mamba TIG rig. Now it's a 2-piece TIG rig. We've been trying them out. We endorse them. They got a 3-year warranty, no matter what happens to it. That's almost forever. So 3 years, that's a long time. They work good. They're lightweight and heavy duty at the same time. Talking 250 amps. Black Mamba. Coming to you soon. This is a teaser video, so you're not going to see the heads dissected just yet, but we wanted to talk about the school a little bit. We're part of this industrial alliance, Central Gulf Industrial Alliance. And it's all these companies, Southern companies, Chevron, Turner, Brown and Root, Performance. They're a part of this group too. And they have a workforce development program committee that goes through and endorses educational welding programs. And they've endorsed us. We got a gold level, which is the highest you can get. So as far as safety, quality, the instruction, the materials, they go as far as to contact employers that have hired our students and get feedback. And as long as all the feedback comes back good, then you can get the gold endorsement. So that should tell you something about the school. Not only that, but a student, when they go apply to be a welder, a pipe welder at any of these companies, they have priority hiring over, say, somebody that comes from another school. It isn't endorsed. So Turner, Chevron, Fluor, Performance, Brown and Root, Zachary, these companies are part of this alliance, and so are we. And they've endorsed us, saying that they like what we're doing. When our students graduate, they go to this alliance's computer. It is a Grad Connect is what it's called. And they get to see jobs that nobody else can see and have chances to hire in where nobody else can. But you're only going to get that at Alabama Pipe Welders Academy. So come check us out.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hit the like button, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Be on the lookout for the very next video. We're actually going to break these down, dissect them, see who's got what, and who's got the best quality product. We really appreciate all the support from you guys, and from everybody here at Alabama Pipe Welders Academy, we'd like to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.